Hello everyone, I'm Izwan from lookfusion.design. Today we are going to do a logo design, and I'm going to show you the process starting from idea generation, sketching, vectorizing and presentation. So keep on watching this video. Now let's open our email. So the company name to be appear on the logo is Panda Delivery, and the services they do is delivery services. The client also specific they want their main mascot, which is the panda, to be appear on the logo and make it simple and also eye-catching. Now it's time for our idea generation. I'm gonna select 3 main keywords from the company name and their services. And from these 3 main keywords, we're gonna extract some ideas that can be developed. This step is called the mind mapping. Select 3 main keywords from the mind mapping, and from these 3 main keywords, it's time to do our sketches. For the sketching part, you can either use a wacom or a sketchbook. I prefer to use a sketchbook. It's kinda like easier for me. You don't have to be too detailed on your sketch. Just throw in some rough ideas onto the sketchbook. After you created multiple sketches, select your most desired sketches and enhance it a little bit more. Make it more bigger and more detailed. Now it's time to vectorize our logo. We are using Pen tool and Adobe Illustrator. Of course, you can use other software, whichever you're familiar with. And now I'm gonna change the color, and finally I made some presentation to the client. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see you again. Bye bye.